Every journey starts with one single step, and another one, and another one. Walk through dark forests and deep valleys. Look around you and see what's really there. And if you don't know which way to go, just follow your heart. It knows the way. And you might end up walking into a valley of flowers. And walk by some mighty rivers. Go with your best friend, someone you can trust. Make mistakes and get better. Until you're good at what you love. And create beautiful things. So you can be an inspiration to others. And don't forget to rest and enjoy the moment. Keep chasing your dreams. Even though it seems impossible. Until you have what you want. Keep on dreaming. Even though they all came true. Just keep on walking and keep on pushing. And when, after a long journey, you finally reach your goal, be proud and enjoy the view.